As discussed in the video on define activities process, the project team will create a list of activities by decomposing work packages. Unless it is a short duration project where the activities are defined in good detail, most projects will get the activity list updated many times during the project. I do not remember if any of my projects ever ended with the same activity list that was created at the start. Even for my shortest project, which was about 16 weeks long, the activity list was revised to break down some activities for better estimation and control. So an activity list is not just a list of names of the activities. There is a lot more information that is created and updated throughout the project's life cycle. That information is called activity attributes. Think of it as data about the activities. Now I am going to list the most common ones. Activity ID, or sometimes called unique activity identifier, name of the activity, and WBS ID. These three are mandatory. The activity ID is unique to an activity and it is never repeated. The name can be repeated. For example, perform testing as a name can appear multiple times. To be clear, this is not a good practice. Try to make the names unique. Like in this case, it can be perform unit A testing, perform unit B testing, and perform integration testing. The WBS ID is the work package ID which this activity belongs to. Other attributes can be a description of the activity, predecessor activities, successor activities, logical relationships or dependencies, resources working on the activity, constraints that put limitations on the activity, any externally imposed deadlines, and many others. There can be hundreds of activity attributes, but the ones I just mentioned are the most common ones.